Hi guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the signs or the signals which will help you to decide whether you want to stay in the job or you want to quit a job. So what is the purpose for making this video is to help you out in deciding whether you are working in a good workplace, whether you are seeing your future, career growth or not. No job is perfect. Every job comes with some drawback. But still it is important to recognize that some work circumstances cannot be simply ignored. So in this video, we are going to talk about the signs and signal which will help you to decide your path. Before jumping into this video, I have a small announcement for you. Now, as you all know, getting a new job nowadays is becoming difficult because of recession, a lot of firings, a lot of competition. Even for survival in the industry, you need to upgrade ourselves according to the industry demand, like programming languages, web tech stack, XYZ. We need to work on it. Until now, to upgrade your skills, you had to pay crazy amount of money, and the result of which you were not even sure of. Today, I'm introducing you a platform that I personally consider a revolution in skill development. We all know PhysicsWallah, right? India's most trusted educational platform. Now, PhysicsWallah is in skill segment. Why? PhysicsWallah wants to add value to each student living in India with quality education at affordable prices. So if I talk about the accessibility, anyone can access who have active internet connection and a smartphone or laptop. You don't require an upgraded version of, your PC or your smartphone. Neither you have to download the complex packages or environment, installation, XYZ. We do a lot of things to get access to some technology or to work on it. You don't have to do that. What they are providing live projects, work experience letter. Because presently in the market, until or unless you don't have hands-on, nobody cares what skills you have. With PhysicsWallah skills, you get access to the experience portal with countless live project. After completing, you also get real work experience letter. And that's what we need while we are applying for a new job, right? Experience or hands-on on any technology. Now, if I talk about their job portal, with PhysicsWallah skills, you get full access to their job portal, which is connected to the best in the industry. So you get a better job faster. Now, you must be curious to know the prices. See, here you don't have to pay like 50K or 1 lakh, which usually the tech courses, cost. But PhysicsWallah skills is offering much better job-ready courses for just 3,200 due to Republic Day offer, which will end in 31st Jan. With PhysicsWallah Skills Lab, you can turn your computer into a supercomputer because you have just saved 2 lakhs right here. All courses are available in English and Hinglish with recorded lecture. Now, what are the courses? Full stack web development, Sigma batch, Java with system design and DSA, which is very important, you all know, for in terms of interview. That is a binary batch, and data science master impact batch starting from 28th January 2023. You can check out the courses on PhysicsWallah app in the PhysicsWallah skill section. You can use my coupon code TL500. And yeah, the coupon code will be only applied on the app. So all links are there in the description. Please go ahead and check it out. Until you don't try, you don't get. At least go, have a look and analyze the courses and make a decision. And don't forget to apply coupon code TL500 to get an instant discount. Let's get started. Point number 1, health is wealth. Is your health and well-being are getting destroyed by the job? Are you feeling stress or negativity about your work? Are you still thinking about the job or workplace even at home? If this is the case, that means you are compromising with your personal life. Now, before coming to the conclusion, first see the statistic. How much percentage of time you are compromising? Suppose in a month you are compromising 1 day or 2 days, then it's fine. I'm talking about if the maximum hours or maximum days you are spending with these compromises with your work, with your health, with your family, then this is not a good sign. Number 2, you experiencing unnecessary burnout. Now, what is job burnout? Job burnout means you are not saying no to any task. Secondly, you are not paying attention to yourself. You are not keeping yourself on priority. Simply, you are experiencing the burnout. Point number 3 is your employer has crossed the line. The employer could be abusive, or you might be facing harassment, or your supervisor has started doing unnecessarily micromanagement, or he may criticize your best efforts. Then this is a sign. Point number 4, your company is an unsafe place. you are thinking about your job security. For example, in COVID-19 pandemic, did your employer care about your health or well-being? And you should definitely not feel insecure while taking leaves. So if these kind of insecurities are coming in your mind, then definitely this is the sign. Point number 4, your duties are increasing, but your pay still remains same. So basically, do not allow yourself to overworked or underappreciated. If you feel that your company is taking advantage of you, then you are probably not going to be happy until you leave. Toxic workplace. So basically, all this comes under toxic workplace. In addition to that, suppose some sort of negative communications are happening, gossip, people are gossiping about one another, poor communication with supervisor or your teammates or surrounding is called a toxic workplace. Does the mission of the company not align with your value? Are you feeling disinterested in taking part in any collaboration, any meetings, or any team building activity, or you don't feel contributing to the mission of the company? Then this is the right time to quit, and it is okay to quit a job and go to a better place. So it's completely okay. That's how the corporate works. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.